I'm Madeline, and this is our product, Alarm Ninja, a new way to wake up. First, let's meet the group. Our marketing and business was done by Sophia, Natalie, and Rosie. Our engineers were Kathy and Mateo, and I was the designer. Now, does anyone have a problem here waking up in the morning to go somewhere? Yeah, I know I do. This is the problem we tried to fix. We solved this problem by finding a new way to wake up. Now, how are people currently solving this problem? People currently use wearables, alarm clocks, and apps, and we combined all of them together to make one product, Alarm Ninja. Our solution is a portable alarm that wakes you up by vibration, change of temperature, or sound. You must move for at least 10 seconds to shut it off, or you can manually shut it off with using the app. Now here's Kathy to explain the app.
Okay, so this is the app, and this is the logo. So when I click on the logo, it takes to the home screen. And let's say I want to wake up at 6 o'clock, so I can type in I want to wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I can set that. There's also vibration settings, so you can be a low setting or a high setting if you really need to wake up or you're a heavy sleeper. And there are also a bunch of settings that you can click on, and you can go to this setting to like different alarms. So there's a buzzer, a car honk, and there's like different ones you can add. Then I go back home. Go back home. Then I can click on my avatar, and there's a cute little avatar that you can customize. They can pink, and then they can go back home. So that's the app, and here's Rosie to explain the wearable.
So this is the wearable. It is a bracelet with a vibrator on it and Arduino. The vibrator connects to the Arduino, and then the Arduino powers the vibrator.
Now you're probably wondering, how much does this awesome app cost? Well, it costs $34.99 US with a 40% profit margin. So how will we acquire customers? We will use social media, YouTube advertisements, and word of mouth. Once we have more customers and revenue, we will use TV commercials and billboards. Thanks for listening.
I didn't get the temperature thing. How would it make you colder? What would you do? Did I understand that?
So, we will use an endothermic process to make the bracelet cooler, and we'll add chemicals inside that then we can make it.
Yeah, we don't have that. We don't have that in our first prototype.
So, $35. Do you need this is completely standalone. You don't need buttons or anything like that.
Well, as you saw, Kathy showed there's an app that goes along with it. So, yeah.
How'd you go about building a prototype? Because I know I can do that.
We soldered some parts together and glued them.
So we're using an Arduino, like this blue chip over here is an Arduino, and there's a bunch of wires connected to a motor, and that's connected to a vibrator on this bracelet, and it's a Star Blinking bracelet, and it'll vibrate, and then they're like different settings, so there's a big setting, a small setting, and it'll like vibrate your hand.
In future prototypes, the chip will be really small, so you can actually wear the bracelet.
It'll be like a blue chip.
So you actually slept with it and woken up.
Well, we can't right now because it's really big, but in future prototypes, we hope that we can make a small chip with a Bluetooth so that it could be easy to work.
So the idea is that your alarm goes off, and this is the bracelet is shaking you,
Yeah.
and so but how do you guarantee that you're going to wake up?
So when your hand vibrates, your nerves kind of